Hey guys, welcome and or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, hi, my name is Tamika and we get into all things fashion, makeup, beauty, lifestyle, all that good stuff, but hashtag affordable, because I'm all about affordability. And if that is something that you guys are interested in, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join this little but growing family, and let's hop right into the video. Alright, so today's video is going to be super quick. As you can see, I already have my face base done. We are really just going to be getting into some new to me makeup. This is not like super new at the drugstore, but this is new to me. It's my first time picking this up. But these are the e.l.f. What is this? This is the e.l.f. bite-sized shadows. These little things right here. And then we also have some liquid glitter eyeshadow as well. So we have this in Ocean Eyes, which is like a really deep royal blue. We have 24 karat gold, which is gold. It looks like 24 karat gold. And then this one, which is Disco Queen, which is like a silver, or like a light silver type of shadow. We are going to be doing a very simple look today. Like I said, it's going to be a really quick video. I don't plan to be before you too long. So these little eyeshadow palettes, I think these are what I'm going to be using today. This one with the blue in it is called Carnival Candy. That's what that looks like. Whoops. And then this bronzy one is called Pumpkin Pie. But I think I'm going to go ahead and play in both of these just to see what kind of look we can come up with today. I am first going to go over my eyes with this e.l.f. Putty Primer, and I just use this all over my eye. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this Pumpkin Pie palette right here. Going in with this light shade right here, this light brown shade. I'm going to place that all over the lid. So I'm just going to go in with a Morphe brush. Ooh, there's a little bit of fallout on here. I'm just going to tap off the excess. And just place this all over the eye. And now just to define the crease a little bit, we're going to jump into Carnival Candy palette and use this reddish shade right here. And just going to apply that to the crease. It's a really pretty color, really pretty. Alright, so next I want to hop into this blue right here because that's really calling my name. I think we're done with this palette because this one has no more shimmers. So going back into Pumpkin Pie, right? Yeah, Pumpkin Pie palette. I think I want to use... Alright, I'm going to go in with a little bit of this darker shimmer first, and then I want to put the lighter shimmer on top of it. But going first with the darker shimmer in with my finger, and place that right in the center. Okay. I have to snap like that, e.l.f. Okay. Oh my gosh. That is bananas. Wait a second. I didn't have to dip back in the palette. That's so pretty. That's so pigmented. Alright, back in with a little bit of the blue, just to blend that in a little bit more. and then back into this reddish color right here, just to kind of further blend the edges a little bit. It's so pretty. I need to find my lash glue so I can put some lashes because this look needs a lash. Let's see, for the inner corner, let me try. This is not a shimmer, so it's the really light color. I'm going to use this and put this in the inner corner. I'm going to go in on the lower lash line with this red color again. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the blue on the bottom. Alright, so that is it for the eyes. And might I add, I had my face completely done before I started this eyeshadow look. No fallout from the eyeshadows on my face, thank God. I went in with, you know, there's fallout when you dip into the pan, but as long as you tap off the excess and once you apply it to the eyes, nothing falls out on the eyes. I love when I get no fallout from an eyeshadow palette, especially after I put on my face first. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and find some lashes. Well, I know my lashes are, I just don't know where my lash glue is. Okay, so false alarm, I found my lash glue. I have applied lashes. These are Lily lashes in the style Miami. I felt like this is a very bold, out there, in your face type of look, and they needed the lashes to match. So that's why I went ahead and went in with these Lily lashes, which are very, like, they're just big and just beautiful, really. But yeah, so this is the final look. I love, like when I say I love how this turned out, the blue and that gold just goes so well together, and they're from two separate palettes. So I went in with both of these bite-sized eyeshadow palettes to create this look here, and as you can see, the pigmentation is definitely there and it looks amazing on my skin tone. The color pops, and these were only $3. I believe $3, $3 or $5. I'm not really sure. You know, let me just do a quick little Google search because I bought these a while ago. Yeah, these are $3. So you can't beat that. They have a couple different color schemes in these styles, but $3, you definitely can't beat this at the drugstore. Go ahead and pick these up. I got these from Harmon's. And yeah, that's it. Maybe in another video I will go in and use these glitter eyeshadows because I think the colors that I picked up are really beautiful and I can't wait to try them out. But I would say definitely go ahead and pick these up. You can't go wrong. Like I said, it's super affordable at the drugstore and you will definitely get your money's worth. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. If you made it this far with me to the end of the video, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you are notified when I do upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.